Hi, what do you want?
Wow, you got issues.
Thanks. I'll take that as a compliment.
I'm out of here.
Okay. I'm sorry. So, how can I help you?
Now we're talking.
You're right.
What's your name anyway?
I am what they call an AI, or artificial intelligence, although I go by Jarvis, that stands for, just a rather very intelligent system.
Good name though.
Thanks.
What is Lumina Flame? What is Lumina Flame anyway?
You don't know how to Google? Oh well. Luminaflame is a team of passionate people, or at least that what they program me to say. They did augmented and virtual reality services. You should contact them and give them money. You seem like a wealthy person after all. What's the purpose of that face?
Nothing.
Oh well.
Where can I find them?
On Earth. Ha 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 ha. Cannot take a joke, huh? You can reach them by their websites luminaflame.com. You want to open it?
No.
Too bad. You should open it, because it's awesome. When an AI tells you it's awesome, it is awesome. LOL.
What is the meaning of Lumina Flame?
Well, lumina is a Latin word for lantern. And lantern has flame, so lumina flame. How easy is that? Ha 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 ha.
How big is their team?
They are a team of 5 with one very capable mentor.
Okay, thank you.
They are a team of 5 with one very capable mentor.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Hope I won't see you again. LOL.
I didn't say goodbye yet.
Well, I am. Bye bye. Give my regards to your family. Ha 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 ha.
Bye.
I'm out.